Welcome to PC Error Detective, and in this video I will show you how to uninstall Discord in a simple and easy way. Stay with me till the end, because I will guide you through each step so you can remove Discord completely from your computer. Step 1. Open the control panel on your PC. You can search for control panel from the Start menu, and this is where you can uninstall programs installed on Windows. Step 2. Click on Programs and Features. Here you will see a list of all applications installed on your computer. Step 3. Find Discord in the list. Scroll through the programs until you see Discord by name. Step 4. Right-click on Discord and select Uninstall. A small window will appear and Windows will start removing Discord from your system. Step 5. Follow the on-screen instructions. Wait for a few seconds until the uninstallation process finishes completely. Step 6. Delete leftover Discord files if needed. Go to the Run box, type %appdata%. Press Enter, find the Discord folder and delete it to remove remaining data. That is how you can easily uninstall Discord from your computer and free up space. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.